Alright, so in 2008, there were 1.5 billion internet users. 2015, there was 3.5 billion. So for part A, let's use this data to get the constants here. A is just 1.5. Okay, we're looking for C. T is number of years passed, so 15 minus 8 is 7, and 3.5 is the final population. So 3.5 divided by 1.5, e to the power of 7c. So if you ln both sides, 35 over 15 is 7 over 3. If you divide top and bottom by 0.5, is 7c. So c is 1 over 7 of ln of 7 over 3. Okay. So your full equation here is y is equal to 1.5 e to the power of this. Okay, so that's this actually is accurate to 3 decimal places. That. All right. So for part B, it's asking, well, how long will it take to become for this to become 2? Okay, so you could divide both sides by 1.5. Then you ln both sides, you get, if you ln this side, the e disappears, we just get this, and you get ln of 2 over 1.5. So t is 1 over 0.121, ln of 2 over 1.5. At 2.05, so roughly 2 years, right? See, what year would it be? 5 billion. So same procedure, this will be 5, so that will be 5. So that would be 5, right? So without repeating the process, I'm just going to go straight into ln of 5 over 1.5. 8.6 years. So 2.5, this means it's 2010. 8.6, this means it's 2016. 8 plus 8. Okay, and the final thing is they're asking you to isolate t. So if you divide both sides by 0.5, same procedure. So e to the power of 0.121 t is equal to y over 1.5, ln both sides. So t will be 1 over 0.121 ln of y over 1.5.